Today we're diving into the exciting world of consulting businesses. A business where you leverage your expertise to help others achieve their goals. Sounds fulfilling, right? That's the beauty of a consulting business. It's a lucrative field, teeming with potential for growth, and offers the flexibility many entrepreneurs crave. It's more than just a business, it's a journey of continuous learning and impact. So if you're ready to venture into this world, let's get started on how to set up your own consulting business. First things first, identify your niche. What kind of consulting business do you want to start? This step is crucial because it lays the foundation for your consulting venture. Your niche should be a sweet spot where your expertise and passion intersect. You want to choose a field that you're proficient in and one that you enjoy. Now, the world of consulting is vast and varied. You could venture into management consulting, strategy consulting, IT consulting, human resources consulting, or even financial advisory consulting. The list goes on. These are just examples to ignite your thought process. Remember, the more specific your niche, the easier it'll be to target your market and establish yourself as an authority. It's better to be a big fish in a small pond than a small fish in a big ocean. So, dig deep, discover your strengths, and carve out a niche that suits you best. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to move to the next step. A solid business plan is your roadmap to success. Now let's talk about the heart of your consulting dream, the business plan. This isn't just a document, it's a powerful tool that will guide your business from the startup phase through establishment and eventually growth. Starting with the executive summary, it's the first thing people see, but it's the last thing you should write. It's a brief overview of your business, encapsulating your vision in a nutshell. It should be compelling enough to convince potential investors to read the rest of your plan. Next, we have the company description. This is where you get to tell the story of your business. What problem are you solving? Who are you solving it for? How are you uniquely positioned to do so? This section should clearly define your business and your target audience. Then comes the market research. You need to understand the terrain you're about to step into. Who are your competitors? What's the size of your potential market? What trends are affecting your industry? This section is about demonstrating that you've done your homework and understand the landscape. Now, onto the organization and management structure. This lays out who's running the show. If it's just you, that's fine. If you have a team, detail their roles and responsibilities. This section provides clarity on the structure and management of your business. Next, outline your services. What are you offering to clients? Be specific and detailed. Describe the benefits of your services and how they differ from the competition. Your marketing and sales strategy is next. How will you attract and retain clients? What channels will you use? This section should clearly outline your strategies for reaching your target market and turning them into clients. Lastly, we have financial projections. This is where you forecast your revenue and expenses. It's about proving that your business can be profitable. You'll need to provide projected income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. With a robust business plan, you're ready to take the next leap forward. Remember, your business plan is a living document. As your business grows and changes, so too should your plan. Now let's move on to setting up your business legally. Now that you've planned your business, it's time to make it official. Registering your business is a key part of the process. This means filing the necessary paperwork with your state's Secretary of State office. You'll need to provide information about your business, including its name, location, and purpose. Choosing a business name is a task that requires careful thought. It should be unique, catchy, and representative of your brand. Make sure to do a search to see if the name is already in use, as duplicating an existing business name can lead to legal issues. Once you've chosen a name, it's time to set up an LLC, or limited liability company. This business structure provides legal protection by separating your business assets from your personal ones. If your business were to face a lawsuit, your personal assets would be protected. Creating an LLC can seem daunting, but there are resources available to make it easier. One such resource is Taylor Brands. They offer an easy and quick LLC setup process that takes the stress out of this step. When your LLC is set up, you'll need to obtain an employer identification number, or EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service. This 9-digit number is used by the IRS to identify your business for tax purposes. It's free to apply for an EIN, and you can do it online through the IRS website. Once you've completed these steps, your business is legally registered and you're ready to start operating. But remember, setting up your business legally is just the beginning. there's still plenty of work to be done. You'll need to keep accurate records, file taxes, and comply with any regulations specific to your industry. But don't let these responsibilities overwhelm you. With careful planning and organization, you can manage these tasks effectively and focus on what you do best, providing valuable consulting services to your clients. With your business legally set up, you're ready to start operating. The next step is to get the word out about your consulting business. When it comes to marketing your business, there are several strategies that you can use. One of the most important is creating a professional website. In today's digital age, your website is often the first impression potential clients have of your business. It's your online storefront, your business card, and your brand all wrapped into one. Make sure it's sleek, navigable, and clearly communicates what you offer and why you're the best at it. But a great website is only as good as the traffic it attracts, and that's where social media comes in. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook can be powerful tools for reaching your target audience. Share relevant content, engage with followers, and showcase your expertise. Remember, social media isn't just about broadcasting, it's about building relationships. Another important marketing strategy is networking. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with other business owners. You never know where your next big client could come from. Don't shy away from offering introductory rates to attract your first clients. It's a strategy that can help you break into the market and start building a portfolio. However, be careful not to undersell your services in the long run. Building a strong brand identity is key to standing out in a crowded market. Your brand is more than just a logo or a slogan. It's the overall image and experience you offer to your clients. It's what sets you apart from your competitors. It's what makes you, you. And when it comes to branding, Tailor Brands can be a valuable ally. They offer branding services that can help you create a unique and compelling brand identity. Remember, marketing is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. It requires patience, creativity, and resilience. But when done right, it can help you attract your first clients and start building your reputation. Effective marketing can help you attract your first clients and start building your reputation. The success of your consulting business relies heavily on your relationships with clients. As a consultant, it's not just about offering great advice or solutions, but also about nurturing relationships that lead to repeat business and referrals. So, how do you build these valuable relationships? First and foremost, deliver exceptional service. This goes beyond just doing a good job. It's about exceeding expectations, providing value that truly impacts your client's business. Be the go-to person for your clients, be proactive, anticipate their needs, and offer solutions before problems even arise. Remember, exceptional service breeds loyalty, and loyalty leads to repeat business. Maintaining clear communication is another vital strategy. Ensure that you and your client are always on the same page. This involves explaining your strategies clearly, updating them regularly, and making sure they understand how your work is benefiting their business. If your client feels informed and involved, they're more likely to trust you and value your work. But don't just stop at delivering service and communicating well. Ask for feedback. This shows your clients that you value their opinion and are willing to make improvements. Constructive criticism can help you refine your services and deliver even better results in the future. More importantly, it creates a two-way dialogue that can deepen your relationship with your clients. Lastly, never underestimate the power of referrals. A happy client is likely to refer you to their network, thereby growing your client base. So, make sure to remind your clients that you appreciate any referrals they can provide. In conclusion, building strong client relationships is not a one-time task, but a continuous process. It involves delivering exceptional service, maintaining clear communication, asking for feedback, and encouraging referrals. By doing so, you are not just securing a client for a single project, but potentially for a lifetime. By building strong client relationships, you can ensure the longevity and success of your consulting business. So, invest time in your clients, nurture those relationships, and watch your consulting business thrive. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge to start your own consulting business. We've journeyed from pinpointing your unique niche, drafting a comprehensive business plan, to legally establishing your business. We've also tackled effective marketing strategies and building solid client relationships. Remember, starting a consulting business requires dedication and hard work, but with the right approach, your business can thrive. Good luck.